Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create watermark in Canva on your iPhone. So the first step is to simply open your Canva project and tap on text. Now here we're gonna have to select add a heading, and then here you can simply add watermark. So let's type in watermark. And now the next step is to simply tap on the color. So here I'm going to choose black. So let's change to black. Let's see, like this. Now we're going to have to select it and make it way bigger, and we can rotate it if we want. Then you're going to have to tap again, and then here we're going to have to simply swipe and tap on the transparency, and then simply change it to 24 like this. And this is how you can create your watermark in Canva on your iPhone, guys. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.